Alright, so Sugar and I, we driving around trying to look for furnitures. In like a couple hours, we're gonna have to go to the apartment and pick up our keys. We're gonna be moving in tomorrow, so we're gonna need furnitures. I know we're probably gonna have to sleep on the ground for a little while, but
yeah,
if we can avoid that, let's try to avoid that.
We put on our internet, we put on our electric. Literally the only thing we gotta worry about now is buying food, moving our stuff from the hotel room to our room.
You gotta hold that camera.
Putting the stuff from our hotel to the house, to the apartment, go grocery shopping, and the furniture. That's literally all we gotta do. That's about it.
It's a lot though.
So we'll show you what we get. Hopefully we find something today, because we don't know this stuff is coming same day. We're gonna have to wait a couple weeks.
I don't want to wait a couple weeks. I do not want to sleep on the ground for a couple weeks.
Me either.
I'm sorry.
Me and Ray got our keys. He's a man, man.
I don't know what key.
They're all the same color. It's not the big one though.
I know that. That gotta be.
Welcome, guys. Ray, we could definitely get a big sectional and do it this way. Yeah. A little balcony. Clean it up. We have space, put some plants. We could put little patio chairs if you want to sit down there.
It's not that bad.
We're gonna try to put a big sectional in the living room. The living room is really, really big. And then you got the kitchen.
Yeah.
They gave us like a little closet. I think this is the washer and dryer, right? No, this is just a pantry. And then we have a closet for like our coats and stuff over there by the entrance. But this is big because I can fit and I can hide.
Where you hide from?
I don't know. You scare me sometimes. Look at you. This is the second bedroom. We gotta measure it. We went furniture shopping, and we can't decide whether to get a king or a queen because we don't know what's gonna fit and what's not gonna fit. But this is the second bedroom because we got a 2-bedroom apartment.
The thing with the rooms are really small. I wish they took space away from the goddamn living room and give a little bit to the room.
If we're not in the bed, we're gonna be in the living room.
But the rooms are so small, baby. This one's a little bigger.
We could fit a queen in here, a king in here.
Yeah, it looks a little bigger.
It's bigger than we thought. Each room got a fan in it. And guys, look at the closet. You know I'm about to be hype as hell.
Why are you taking off your shoes? You ain't even cleaned the carpet yet.
My a blister. We've been walking on rocks all day. My feet hurt. Oh, where's the light for this one? Oh, wow. So, this is going to be my side. This is going to be Ray's.
Yo, you take man video to my girl. Oh, no, for that.
We might have to change the bulbs, though. We're probably going to change the bulbs.
You turned on 2 switches. What was one of those switches? Turn one of them off?
I turned it off. See?
That's cool.
Yeah. And then we have a closet over here.
Baby, turn on that light right there in the hallway.
We have a little closet.
What are we putting in here? Bathroom stuff?
We could do bathroom cleaning stuff, sheets. It all depends because we have a kitchen pantry, we have a living room, and then the bathroom don't have a closet? No, right?
No.
So that's
it just has a lot of
bottom space. Guys, look at this bathroom. Can you hear the echo? Can you hear the echo? I'll play it. That's what you see. Look at this.
It's ventilation.
Bathroom. Look at the mirror.
That light is crazy.
It's so big. There is a closet.
Is there?
So we could use that for something else.
What the fuck?
We have mad space. We were worried about not buying a dresser because the bedrooms are not big enough. But honestly, I think we'll be fine. And then look at the cute little toilet. It's like separated from the rest of the bathroom. So when Ray is blowing it up, no one got to see or smell it, hopefully.
It's a lot of space.
We're We're gonna go measure it though to see which furniture we can get though, guys. So yeah, this is our new apartment. You don't want to say anything, right?
Nah.
You good?
This is your show. Sugar's over here. She's finalizing. She chose a bed that she like. Right? I just told her get whatever she wants. Cause I gotta understand that Sugar's my queen. You know what I'm saying? Sugar gets whatever she gets because she deserves it, right? So she chose her bed and her chest of drawers and her nightstand and all the fancy stuff that she wants. So she's over here finalizing everything right now. I'll show y'all a quick little preview of what it looks like. This is the one right here. So it's this one. She's getting this bed. You know, she's getting the whole 9 yards. She's getting. So no. As I said before, that's my baby. My baby get what she want. My baby get what she deserves. You know what I'm saying? So we going around, we picking out stuff that she want, and we buy them. Nigga, that's how we gonna live life, man. Fuck it. That's my baby. She can say hi. Oh, look at her too. Do you, baby? Aye. When we get everything in the apartment, and we're probably gonna go check out some more stuff because we gotta get the sofa and stuff. She's gonna choose her sofa and all that fancy stuff. So when we get everything, we'll check back in. When the apartment starts coming together, we'll check back in. Aye.